dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the new moon of July 9th, 2021. I have already selected two cards for you from the deck, and we have got the Angel of Boundaries and Angel of Receiving. I was trying to do this reading, but something came up and I couldn't complete it. So the Angel of Boundaries and the Angel of Receiving, I feel that you definitely need to set some boundaries. I believe this came up in your reading last month also, if I'm not wrong, or April's reading. Somewhere I've seen that constantly you are having trouble in drawing boundaries, Aquarius, with people or things. You know, maybe you're taking your work to your home with you to your home, and you're maybe working 12 hours a day or something like that. You don't know where to put a full stop when you're working, or maybe if it's with people, then you don't know where to draw boundaries because you think if you say something they might get hurt and feel bad about it. But you need to draw healthy boundaries. You don't necessarily need to be rude to people, right? You can politely tell them that, hey, I don't think I will be available after these hours for work, to your clients also, or to tell your friends that I'm sorry but I need some me time, and I can't hang out with you. It is fine. Nobody is going to feel bad about it because everybody understands. Okay, so let's begin with the Angel of Boundaries. It's asking you, are you allowing someone or something to drain your energy? Are you? Establish boundaries. Surround yourself in a protective shield and deflect negative energy. Tap into the ancient wisdom within to transform your life. That's what your angel is telling you. And the stone that they've given you is amber. In case you are into really stones and all, then you can buy one and keep it in your house and Google where to keep it and stuff like that. But amber is good for boundaries. But I understand if you can't collect a stone for every reading, then it's absolutely fine. The positive affirmation, however, is something that you can do without needing anything, which you can start today and do it until the new moon, which is the 9th. You can do it even couple of days after that, to give a positive flow of energy throughout. The positive affirmation is, I have the courage to set boundaries with love and grace. I am protected from negative energy. I am connected with powerful ancient wisdom that keeps me safe and provides me with the know-how to make positive changes. It is great. And the angel itself, the Angel of Boundaries itself, is telling you you don't necessarily need to be rude. You can draw boundaries with a lot of love and grace. Politely telling somebody that and especially to your loved ones, they will completely understand. But because for them, your happiness, your peace also matters, right? So if you tell them that, hey, I don't think I'm in for a friend's night out or friend's night in today, so I just want to stay in, and I just want to rest, it's completely understandable. You can postpone the plan, you can change the plan, you can reschedule the plan always, according to your needs. Now the Angel of Receiving, it's asking you, do you joyously give but are unable to receive? I believe it's something to do with the boundary stuff. You joyously give as much as possible, but then you don't know how to take it. When somebody gives you a positive feedback, some of us are like, okay, instead of saying thank you. So some of us don't really know how to take compliments or how to receive love. Sometimes, which happens. So the angel is saying it's time to receive with grace. So when somebody is offering you something, instead of saying no, say sure, why not? Okay, thank you. It is safe to allow others to do nice things for you and shower you with gifts. Wow. A lot of time we feel guilt in asking for help from others, or if someone wants to give us something, we're like, no, I don't think you should give me. Oh no, that's fine. Or how awkward it will be for me to receive something like that. Instead of thinking all that, you need to think that it is okay and that you can allow people to do nice things to you and shower you with gifts. Permit blessings and love to pour into your open receptive heart. Okay, so permit it. If you don't permit yourself to be loved, then how will people even love you? So open, be yourself, draw boundaries, that there's nothing harm. They should know how you are, they should know when you need time, they should know how much time you need, so that they can also understand you, and give you love according to you and to your needs. Maybe they would also like to, just Netflix and chill sometimes and not really go out. So you will never know until you talk it out, right? So if you're finding it hard to draw boundaries, if you're finding it hard to receive love, the positive affirmation for you from the angel of receiving is, I am willing to receive love. Wow. The door to my heart is open, allowing blessings to flow into my life. I accept gifts, love, and attention with ease and grace. I am grateful for all that is bestowed upon me. Beautiful, Aquarius. Beautiful. So do these affirmations starting from today, and also you can do it until the new moon and a couple of days after if you want. It's definitely going to change your life. It's definitely going to give you the courage to say things, to draw politely those boundaries that you've been meaning to do, or to receive love in general, and not be very closed as such, right? Be open to receiving love. Otherwise, if you show that your guards are really high, if your walls are really up, then nobody is going to really make an effort to jump. You'll have to come back 50% so that people can also make 50% effort, right? Try and meet people halfway. Don't make others do all the work as well, Aquarius. That's not nice. So bring your walls down a little bit. Open. I know that you have a lot of love to give, and you do give a lot of love to people, but sometimes I feel it's difficult for you to receive it. So receive love with grace, give love with grace. It's all about equal receiving and giving, okay? So don't fall short on that. So take care of yourselves, and this was your reading for the new moon. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.